What is up, guys? Today is a little bit different of a YouTube video. I have a little bit of a surprise. We're going to be doing some little back roads with a couple different cars, trying it out. But the surprise today is a C8 Corvette Z06. It has a naturally aspirated 5.5 liter V8 producing 670 horsepower at 8,400 RPMs and 460 pound-foot of torque, and it redlines at 8,600 RPMs. It also has an LT6, which is the most powerful NA V8 engine ever produced, having a quarter-mile time of 10.5 seconds at 131 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 of 2.6 seconds. This is the C8 Corvette Z06. What's up, y'all? So I realized after editing the video, I didn't explain the best on what each part of the video, what we were doing. I was just so excited to film. So what you're about to see right now is the passenger point of view. While Danny's driving the Z06, you'll see me getting flung around trying to record. And then I'm gonna hop into the GR86 and try to follow the Corvette best I can. Finally, you're gonna see me driving the Z06 on these back roads. So it's pretty cool because you get to experience the car in a twisty, turny, bendy type of road. Instead of just a straight line on the highway. So, you know, we're really be able to bring out what the car was meant to do and built to do. So, and another disclaimer is we weren't able to go above 100 miles per hour. We were instructed not to due to Florida's new law. So you'll see we'll let off very quickly when we gas it. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy. All right, we're in Mexico. Oh, there's some horses there. Don't look at this speed. Don't look at this speed. Oh, you set camera down? Alright, so I'm hopping in the H6. We're going to be following behind the Z06 and the Supra. And we're going to see. We're going to feel the difference. You trust me? A little bit. Cut the clip. Oh! A little sideways. Sorry, Dustin. Oh, that's perfect. Oh! No. So, yeah, damn. Speed. All right. We hopping in. All right, little 8.6 action with the automatic. So let's see. With the auto. This would be very cool to see the difference because I'm only ever used to the Supra now. So with this being the Subaru, I think it's a FA24, it'll be very different. NA, so we got to carry that momentum in the turns. We're in sport mode. I can see my G's. I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but yeah, ready to go. Oh, the steering wheel is so light. Oh, it's peppy though. Alright, let's see how these turns feel. So, I just wanted to say, this was a really fun car. Even though in the straights, of course, it's going to be slower because you got nothing turbocharged, it's NA, it's low horsepower, but the throttle response from lower speeds is really good. Like in all these turns, it just felt, you know, you're positioned low, you're flying through a turn, you feel really engaged with the car. And I know this was the automatic, so it's a little hard to say, like, you know, you're super engaged since it's not like a manual. But nonetheless, it was still super cool. Even passing that truck right there, like, even though it took me 10 years to do it compared to the Corvette, I still had fun doing it. So, yeah, very cool car. Yeah, you could feel it give a little bit in the turn. I just like that it's such a light car. It's very nimble. I mean, compared to that it's the biggest coupe I think I've ever driven. But the Z06 is just like a tank. This feels so small. I don't know, I like the smaller cars more. A little sideways. Sorry, Dustin. I forget your tires are so small. Okay, I have to say this is a very fun car for some back roads. And we're not even in anything that's like mountain, it's all flat. Yeah, you don't need power to have fun. This is very cool. That was pretty cool.
That was cool.
This thing is so loud. Wow. All right. You ready?
Yes, sir. 11 mpg, baby.
11 mpg. Wait, 11.1. All right, about to hit some back roads. We're in touring mode. It looks like you have a couple different. You got tour, sport. You said track mode.
Gotta do track mode out here.
Gotta do track mode out here.
I think so.
Drive, manual.
Manual mode.
Let's go. It holds. He said, give me a ride.
Give me a ride. God damn.
Oh yeah, that was a grip.
Shit, what's up, big nose? Oh, he did.
He did. Where'd he go?
He went like underneath.
Oh.
They might get a B when we return it. God.
Wait, we gotta try it once. You said launch control?
Launch control. Up top, it's kind of stupid.
Yeah, it definitely wants to pull more up top.
Yeah. Got a little twisty here. Holy shit. So what do you think, big dog?
That was pretty sick. You get the power immediately out of the turn. It's kind of crazy.
That NA life.
That NA life. So, you wanna buy one now?
Would you buy one? Throw it down in the comments below.
Would you buy one? I think as a daily, hell no. But little weekend car?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Approved.
Approved.
You should try Dustin's car. It feels like you get going really fast. But then when you try to brake in the 8.6, there's like no brakes, so that you just start like sliding around.
Does it need tires?
Oh, the hell is that? The fuck? We're just gonna block the road real quick.
You know what's funny?
Huh?
I could tell you were coming because I could hear it.
Yeah.
Really?
I was like, and then it was like getting closer.
All right, so we're mic'd up. I don't know if you can hear me okay, but hopefully that little guy doesn't go anywhere. Let's go. All right, so we gotta drop the car back off. But honestly, it was pretty sick. I think compared to the 8.6, I mean, 8.6 was really fun in the turns, but the straight line power is just not there. It's completely two different worlds. Both are just as fun. So yeah, so until next time. Oh wait, you said track mode real quick? Hopefully you guys can hear this. Hey, we got some more.
Moments later.
Well, it might be raining right now, but we're just gonna full send it, see if we can make it without putting the top down.
Some little raindrops.
We're just going so fast, it just creates a vacuum.
He got his hat on, he good.
We good. Oh my
Oh
God.
shit!
It's raining.
Oh shit! Alright, we might have to pull over. Alright, yeah, we gotta pull over.
A few inches later.
So as you can see, we made it under a tree. The roof is back on.
Roof is back on. Well, that did not last long.
It's a little wet in here, just a little bit, but You know, you'll get that.
It's Florida.
It's Florida. You can't control it.
Can't control it. It happens.
One eternity later.